What is bioethics? Bioethics is a field that studies the ethical questions and moral dilemmas that arise from advancement in medicine, biology, and technology. It provides a framework for addressing complex issues like patients' rights, end-of-life decisions, and the ethics of scientific research. The goal is to ensure that medical and scientific practices are guided by principles of respect, justice, and compassion. This interdisciplinary field helps us make difficult decisions that affect human life and well-being. Nancy Cruzan, a 30-year-old woman, suffered a severe car accident that left her in a persistent vegetative state with no hope of recovery. For years, her life was sustained by a feeding tube, her parents acting as her guardian requested to the hospital to remove the feeding tube. Stating that before the accident, Nancy had expressed that she would not want to live in such condition. The hospital refused without court order, leading to a legal battle that went all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court. The case posed major ethical dilemmas around patient autonomy versus the sanctity of life. It also raised questions about a parent's right to make end-of-life decisions for their incompetent child and how much evidence is needed to prove the patient's wishes. Finally, the case forced a debate on whether a feeding tube should be considered a medical treatment that can be refused.
So ma'am, magtatanong lang po ako about sa value po natin. So ma'am, what are the ethical issues that you encounter and how you resolve them?
So you are asking me about euthanasia and DNR, do not resuscitate, specifically. So I haven't encountered having a patient with euthanasia, but based on the experiences of others. When we say euthanasia, it's mercy killing. Okay, so it's really very hard for the patient to decide whether they have to allow mercy killing or not. Basically, yung mga patient na yan, sila yung mga patient na parang no more treatment, na it is much better na yung patient is mawala na lang kaysa maramdaman pa nila yung pain. They have to feel the pain. Siguro yung mga patient na terminally ill patient. Kaya mas gusto ng mga kaysa nakikita na they see that their patients na nahihirapan, but they have to sign a waiver with the nation. So mahirap siya to decide, they have to wait kung tama ba ang ginagawa. Although, ethically speaking, di ba, hindi siya allowed, hindi siya tama sa pananaw ng tingin. So, the other one is DNR, do not resuscitate. Almost the same yan. Kasi do not resuscitate, meaning, hindi mo siya gagawa ng action pag yung patient is nag-iwan. Okay, although we can do something about it, depende naman. Intubate to give air sa patient, pero since nag-sign yung relative ng DNR or do not resuscitate na waiver, so syempre yung medical practitioner, hindi nila yung bibigay ng action. So, wala nang ibibigay. Kasi once you give yung medications, it's against the law of the country. So, as a healthcare worker, mahirap siyang tanggapin din sa part natin kasi tayo as healthcare workers, gusto natin is to lengthen the life of the patient. At since the patient is the physician may decide na gusto to cut na, so we just have to cut. Any question?
Thank you so much.
Okay.